What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here's XELA, Exela Technologies. This finishes at 9.55 cents today. That is up 3.13%.
Winning.
So it's been a while since we analyzed this stock. We first talked about it last year when this initially squeezed, and since then it's pulled back very significantly. But today we did have some pretty big price action. Pre-market this was up 40%, and I don't know what happened here, but came all the way back down. So I guess the shorts, the market makers, and the algos said nope. But all things considered, this still finishes 3% in the green, which is a lot better than the rest of the market. So can't complain too much. And this did make top 10 on StockTwits today. Had about 4,000 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. So there was a reason as to why the stock went up so much today. We did have some very bullish news, so let's take a look at that. Exela Technologies said Wednesday it has received a preliminary non-binding proposal for the acquisition of a business unit that generates about $200 million in revenue. The business process automation company said the proposal is subject to some conditions, including due diligence. Exela also said it is in active discussions with several counterparties about additional acquisition proposals. The company said it is evaluating the proposal and other strategic alternatives that may enhance shareholder value. In June, the company announced it would attempt to sell several standalone assets as part of an effort to maximize shareholder value, lower debt, and buy back common stock. So yeah, there you have it, guys. It looks like they're going to sell off part of their business for $200 million and possibly going to sell off even more assets in the future. So yeah, like I said, this was really bullish. Was up about 40% in the pre-market, and has since pulled back very significantly. That's pretty disappointing. But it does appear like today was a low-key gamma squeeze. We got some massive volume here. But all right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. So right now, this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being 9 cents. The low, and there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 26 cents, 34 cents, 40 cents, 47 cents, 53 cents, or 97 cents. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to go back up to 350, 550, 780, or even the high of 960. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And then we have a triple gap down. First gap down is back here at 250. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 250 to fill this gap. Second gap down is back at 195. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 195 to fill this gap. And the third gap down is back at 50 cents. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 50 cents to fill this gap. And it may take a while for those to fill, but in the long term, eventually they should fill. And here we have a descending channel. So right now the upper channel is at 16 cents and the lower channel is at 5 cents. So if this breaks 16 to the upside, that would be a bullish indicator. It should rip to the upside if that happens. And if it breaks 5 to the downside, that would be a bearish indicator. It could break out to the downside, but it currently does look bullish. And in the aftermarket here, this is running up to 9.7 cents. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will run to the upside as well. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 12 cents and 9 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 12 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 26 cents, 29 cents, 34 cents, 40 cents, 47 cents, 53 cents, 62 cents, 70 cents, 74 cents, 80 cents, 85 cents, 90 cents, 97 cents, and then 105. There is resistance above 105, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be the low of 9 cents. And then if it breaks 9 cents, that would be uncharted territory. So hopefully that does not happen. So right now at the current price, about 10 cents, the channels to the upside get wider as the stock price increases. So expect a significant increase in price action as the stock price increases. And I can't really comment on the downside because there are no channels to the downside. RSI is currently at 28, so that is officially oversold and undervalued. So this could be a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. And this did 476 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 41 million. This was the third biggest volume day of the year. So definitely a gamma squeeze today. So this pump slash squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So yeah, it's been a really rough year for this stock. It went from the $5 range all the way to 10 cents. Absolutely disgusting. But at this point, it really can't get too much worse. We only have bullish indicators right now in the cup and handle, triple gap down, descending channel, aftermarket action, and low RSI, no bearish indicators, and no neutral indicators. So the stock appears to be very bullish in the short and long terms. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, the current price of around 10 cents looks like an excellent entry, in my opinion. So again, in the longer term, this should eventually fill the gap at 250. So from the current price of 10 cents, that would be a 2,400% upside potential. So massive upside potential, and really shouldn't go too much lower. Again, this is the all-time low. So I would say going long at the current price, 10 cents, would be a low risk, extremely high reward play. Should pay off really big in the long term. So I can't support going long at 10 cents. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. Unfortunately, I can't say which prices you should average down at because to the downside, it's uncharted territory. But it really shouldn't go too much lower, and you really can't go too wrong here, buying in at the current price of 10 cents. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. For the same reasons I said going long is a really good idea, going short is a really bad idea right here. All bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, no neutral indicators, huge upside potential, and really not too much downside potential. So I would say going short here would be an extremely high risk, low reward play. Don't really see why you would go short here. You could have went short any time in the past year from the $5 range all the way down to like 20 cents. And at this point, at 10 cents, there's absolutely no reason to go short at the all-time low. Seems like a really bad idea, and you're probably going to get burned. So if you want to go short, do it at your own risk. So pretty straightforward, guys. Really bullish news today. It looks like they're going to sell off parts of their business for a lot of money. They have a $200 million deal lined up, and possibly more deals to come. So there was big price action. This squeezed earlier today and has since pulled back very significantly, but still finishes in the green here and looks really bullish in the short and long terms. So if you want to go long, current price 10 cents, excellent entry. Really can't go too wrong here. Massive upside potential. Really shouldn't go too much more to the downside. So can't go too wrong here, buying in at 10 cents. I can support that. And there's absolutely no reason to go short here. Really bad idea. You missed your chance. All-time low. Massive upside potential. Not too much more downside potential. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Looks like a really good buying opportunity. Not financial advice, but as a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is XELA, Exela Technologies. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.